Did you know this was Hydrographics? Let's find out. Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about hydrographics in general, and mainly in what it is in the mainstream, because of course you see it all day, every day, but a lot of you may not know that a lot of the pieces that you're looking at is actually done with the hydrographics process. So let's take a look at the top 5 things that are done with the hydrographics, so that way you can be more educated on what you're seeing out in the real world. So number 1 is going to be car interiors. Car interiors have had wood grain and custom finishes in them for a very long time. And of course, it is no doubt that the hydrographics has played a very big role in that. So of course, having custom one-off interiors, custom wood grain interiors, custom finishes, things like that in car interiors, it makes a lot of sense to do the hydrographics because it offers so many different patterns. And number 2 is going to be the firearm industry. As you can probably tell, any gun that you've seen with the camouflage on it is more than likely done with the hydrographics process. Because hydrographics is so well known in the firearms industry, it is pretty much a staple for a lot of businesses to do in hydrographics, because everybody wants their gun done in a camouflage or something like that to, of course, try to blend in with their surroundings whenever they're using the gun itself. So number 3 is going to be ATVs. If you haven't already, I'm sure you've probably seen tons of ATVs around. They've had camouflage out for a while, but they are also now branching off into digital camouflage patterns. They're also branching out into a lot more colorful patterns and things like that. And of course, the hydrographics is giving them that as well. And so definitely, if you see any type of custom printed pattern on a four-wheeler, ATV, side-by-side, anything like that, more than likely it is probably done with the hydrographics. So number 4 is going to be the footwear industry. If you haven't already seen it, there is tons of people out there that have been doing a lot of custom one-off dips on their shoes. And one big company that comes to mind is Crocs. And so they have actually been able to take their shoes and get them dipped into custom camouflage and even totally one-off patterns to make them very unique and very sellable. And of course, customers love them, and it is a very unique market that is now actually starting to emerge, and a lot of people are really liking the color choices and everything that the manufacturers are choosing. And of course, the last one, number 5, is going to be the 3D printing and prototyping industry. We have seen a lot of great strides in this. So now that you can custom print anything with the 3D printer, now that has really opened up a lot of the market to be able to customize it even more with the patterns and everything that the hydrographics offers. And so again, you're going to be seeing tons of different patterns out there available, as well as on custom one-off parts. So then that way, marketing and all of the design teams and things like that for even large companies and businesses can see what their product looks like completely before they go into full production with it. So definitely seeing the hydrographics in the prototyping industry has really started to take off. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as let me know your thoughts if you feel like we've missed anything or you feel like you see another industry coming up using the hydrographics. We'd love to hear from you on that as well. Also, if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks on anything hydrographics related. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.